Just like colors and typography, images have a tremendous impact on how your brand is perceived by others. My family business is a casket production, which is, believe me, very interesting niche. By the way, it's my dad, the CEO. Say hello. So when I was designing a brand strategy for my family business, the goal was to be perceived as a premium brand on the funeral market. And since the casket market is in 99% a B2B model, we wanted to attract only top funeral directors. To achieve this goal, we couldn't present casket like it was another scary and boring product, because that's what most of casket manufacturers do, and then they compete on price. So we decided to do exactly the opposite. We launched a premium line of caskets, increased the prices, and present them like they were furniture in the nice composition and lots of detailed pictures. As a result, company increased its profit margin by 20% and got new premium clients. And I believe it's just the beginning. Now, forget the caskets and let's talk about something more pleasant. For example, Hardgraft, a leather accessories brand that always used detailed, clean, and almost artistic photographies. That's how they emphasize a brand attention to details, the minimalist design, and the art of craft. So I really like their products, and I could consider buying this iPad sleeve even if it's quite expensive, because it costs £117, which is nearly $170. But here's the thing, the way how they present it to me looks like it's worth that money, and I want to get it. Now let's have a look at similar iPad sleeve at eBay. As you can see, it's almost same product, but look at these pictures and ask yourself a question. Would you buy this iPad sleeve for $170? Well, personally, I wouldn't, and I think you neither. That's why it costs only £7, which is approximately $10. So again, pictures make a huge difference on how your brand is perceived by others and have a great impact on how you can price your products.